Hi, I'm Bernie Raffi, a professional photographer and teacher based in the UK. Now, I no longer photograph weddings. I have to admit that as I got older and more feeble, they became a bit too physically demanding for me. But over the years, I learned a great deal about how to capture terrific wedding photos. And in this course, I want to share with you that knowledge. Now, I'm guessing, but this course might well be unlike any wedding tutorials you may have seen before. And as such, there's something here for everyone. Whether you're just a friend of the bride and groom who's been asked to take photos, maybe because you've got a big camera, or someone who's just getting started with wedding photography, or maybe you've got a few weddings under your belt and just looking for some more creative ideas. Whatever your experience, this course is for you. Before I came to photograph my first wedding back in 2005, I went on wedding workshops, read books, watched DVD tutorials. I'd read all about posing the bride and groom and taking formal group photos and what kit to use, etc. and so on. But even after all of that, looking back, I feel I wasn't totally prepared for the realities of wedding photography. For example, I remember coming out of the church on the first wedding and being faced with a scene like this, and I thought, oh, blimey, what the hell do I do now? But as my wedding photography career progressed, I developed ideas for getting great shots of each stage of the wedding. I discovered that you could anticipate some of the great emotional moments that occur during the day. And I came up with the concept of great looking, what you might call set pieces that look natural, relaxed and candid. It took me years to come up with those tips, tricks and ideas, but you'll learn them in no time on this course. You'll learn to tell the story of the day, how to anticipate some of the great moments that can occur, how to get great reactions and expressions from your subjects, how to think about what's coming next, and how to plan for it. I have to tell you though, there's nothing in this course about the business side of weddings, and nothing about post-processing in Lightroom or Photoshop. It's all about the taking of the pictures. And you'll see a huge number of example photos. Every single one of these images show the camera settings, so you can learn a great deal from them. But the emphasis in this course is on the tips, tricks and ideas for getting those great images during the various stages of the day. The bride getting ready, leaving the house, arriving at the church, the ceremony, signing the register, walking down the aisle, leaving the church, throwing of the confetti, the formals, relaxed photos of the couple, the speeches and much, much more. Each section comes complete with a PDF document containing the relevant images so you can keep them with you as reminders. After watching this course, you'll have the confidence and the knowledge to take amazing photos at any wedding. So why not enroll now and learn how to take amazing wedding photos?